Okay, so we are here to start the Arduino 2 badge video. So we're going to be using the DHT11 sensor. That's what it looks like. You can see the VCC, the data, and the ground pin. And this sensor measures temperature and humidity. So to hook this up to the Arduino, you want to hook the VCC pin up to the 5 volt or 5V on the Arduino, the ground to the ground. And in this program, I'm hooking the data pin up to the number 2 port. So something you need before you can do this is to use the simple DHT library. To install a library, you just click up here on Sketch, go to Include Library, click Manage Libraries, and it'll pop up here with a bunch of different available libraries you can use. Takes it just a second to think and load. So then you can just come up here and search. So I will search for the exact name, which is simple DHT, and it will pop right up here. So you can see mine's already installed. But if it wasn't installed, you just click on it, click on the install button. It takes just a couple of seconds to download the little library, and you're good to go. You can just close it then and get back to the program. So here's my code. So this is another important part right here, which is the serial monitor. It's the baud at which it puts out, and we'll talk about this just a second. But mine's set to 115200. Then I got the rest of the code here. So it's going to read the temperature, read the humidity, and then in the serial monitor, it's going to put out what those readings are. And I've got set on a delay of about 1.5 seconds. So every 1.5 seconds, you should get a new reading. So click to upload the code. Then we'll go up to Tools and Serial Monitor just to make sure everything's working. And you will see that this is kind of crazy stuff that's coming out. And this is because my baud is set to 9600. So if you look here, it's set to 1152.0 in my code, but on my serial monitor, it is not. So you always have to make sure that those match up. So we can change the baud reading down here. All right, and it should spit out, yay, real data. So you can see it's reading my temperature, reading humidity. I'm actually going to put some heat gun on it just to check. And you can see my humidity immediately jump and my temperature jumped as well. So we know that everything is working fine. So that sums it up.